Welcome to 2-minute classes. We will discuss a simple hands-on example for Python. So our example is we will be given x and y coordinates of 2 points and your program needs to find the length of line formed by these coordinates. So input will be x1 y1 for the first point and x2 y2 for the second point, and we have to apply the formula for length of coordinate geometry, which is length equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. In this example, we will be understanding the use of power function in Python. Now let's proceed to our program. Suppose these are our inputs. X1 input the x coordinate of the first point. Similarly y1 where I have taken the input of the y coordinates of the first point, and similarly x2 y2. So these are the inputs which I have already taken from the user. Now for applying the formula is bit complex, so you can break it into two steps. I will first of all find out x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square. So what I am doing over here is x2 minus x1. Instead of square, I am simply multiplying it. Later I will show how you can directly perform the square also. So because it is just square, so it will need multiplication twice. So I will just do this, and then similarly y2 minus y1 into y2 minus y1. So this is the thing which I need to square root, after which I would get the length. So I will write length equal to, in order to perform square root, we will use power function. The power function over here, as it shows, it has three operands, like three inputs. It will have a base, an exponent, and a modulus value. We are going to use just these two things. Mod over here will be considered as 1. So the power function which I will use, I have to perform the power of temp, and I need to find square root, and square root is done by having the power value as 0.5. Okay, and now I will print the output. I am just leaving few lines so that the code is more readable. The length of line is okay. Now we will execute this program. Okay, suppose my point is 1 comma 1 and the second point is 4 comma 4. Just a second. Okay, over here I have written 1. Okay, so that was a typing error. Okay, so I will write points as 1 comma 1 and 4 comma 4. So line 7. Okay, I missed the multiplication sign over here. Okay, now again we will try to execute it. You should always recheck your program for any typing error. So this is giving me length of the line is 4 point this. Okay, you can execute it for some other known input also. Suppose my x coordinate is 0 comma 0 and my y coordinate is 3 comma 4, so it will give me length of line as 5. Okay, so this is our example of finding length of the line.